Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a trade for day trading, full guide. First, log into Trade and complete identity verification, then enable margin and request pattern day trader status if you will trade intraday often. Next, fund your account with a linked bank transfer or wire and confirm settlement times. I'll also show how to set base permissions and where to access live quotes, charts, and practice accounts for confidence. Start by confirming settlement rules and keeping enough cleared cash to avoid buying power surprises. Remember the $25,000 pattern day trader threshold and maintain required equity to prevent account restrictions. Choose ACH for low-cost transfers or wire for speed, and verify daily limits so your funding arrives when you need it. I'll explain how to monitor unsettled funds and plan trades around settlement, timing to stay compliant and active. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical trading walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup effortless while you focus on screens and orders. It pairs well with late-night trading when you need a tidy workspace. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Configure common order types such as market, limit, stop, and trailing stop to match your strategy and execution speed. Subscribe to real-time quotes and level Roman 2 data if you need deeper market depth, and customize charts with indicators you trust. Create watch lists and set alerts for price levels, volume spikes, and news so you can react fast. I'll also cover basic position, sizing, and stop placement to protect capital during active sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.